What is up, YouTubians? Gary of VW Jawbreaker. Look at this beautiful afternoon. I did not get the memo of 72 degrees. I'm still in my work pants. That's sweat on my forehead, guys. In December, what's up with that? Hey, look. Those people actually stopped at a stop sign for once. I have video proof. This is awesome. So today, we're yanking the engine on Jawbreaker, and we're gonna get started on the new build. Engine is out. I got my favorite little helper pulling the exhaust off. Say goodbye to the dual stingers. We are not going to be able to use that crappy little header anymore. We're going to have to go with the 1 5/8 merged header for this new motor. Thanks for your help, buddy. Can't thank you enough for always being here helping. There's all the tins. Yeah, everything's sitting up top. So here's the plan. Since this case is cracked and it's only got about 8,000 miles on the internals, we're going to actually crack it open, save all those parts. Why? Because they only have 8,000 miles on them. Duh. However, that is a forged crank and rods, counterweight forged crank and I-beam rods inside that engine, and we're going to take that out to start building the base of the 1915. So we need to crack it all the way down, split it. We'll go ahead and mark all the lifters, yada yada yada. But this would be a great opportunity, guys, to see exactly how things look after 8,000 miles. All these parts are from AA Performance. Inside, not the distributor, not the pulley, yada yada yada. Come on, you know what I mean. Clutch actually looked good. I'm still going to upgrade it because we're going to be putting a few more horsepower through it. So we'll go ahead and finish yanking this exhaust off and go ahead and get this puppy on the stand. We'll start cracking her open. Stay tuned. Tear down update time. Noise alert. So here we go. We got the 1641 out of Jawbreaker, tore down. About 8,000 miles. It was running a little fat. A little carbon up top. But cylinders are looking good. Hold on. There we go. Cylinder's still looking pretty good. Still see crosshatch. Those are AA Performance. There's my heads. Again, running a little fat. Things are looking good. Now comes the real question. How does that AA Performance forged crank and rods, how are they doing in there? I can tell you this much. Barely any play. Those things are nice and snug. Look at this. Ready? Rotates beautifully. I mean, look at that. Barely any play. This thing is nice and snug. Regardless of how it turns out, we're still going to go ahead and... Man, that's so nice and snug. I love it. Oh, yeah, sorry. Sidetrack. Squirrel. Regardless, we're still going to go ahead and put new rod bearings on there. They're cheap. We'll have it apart. We'll have it out. Might as well just go ahead and slap new bearings. So let's go ahead and crack this case. All right, there you go, split open, 8,000 miles. C35 cam. Looks really nice. The only thing I've ever ran in this is the Valvoline VR1, which has the high zinc and phosphorus, whatever. Yeah. So there you go. That's a counterweight forged crank from AA Performance. Journals look good. These are forged I-beam rods from AA Performance. Man, those things feel nice. Nice and snug. Oh, you can't even see. There you go. There we go, man. Everything does look really nice. Come over here to the lifters. Oh, where are you? There you are. Lifters look good, so we'll be saving these lifters. What we'll do is we'll mark it exhaust intake, intake exhaust for cylinder, 1, 2, yada yada. That way we get them all back in the same place again next time we use this cam. I mean, there's no point not to keep it. Man, if it wasn't for this case, this thing would still be rocking and rolling down the street. This just really, really sucks. Everything looks amazing in there. Nice and clean. This is not silicone. This is the Yamabond. First time using it. I put it on a little thick. Sue me. See if I care. So there we go. Man. Rotating assembly, everything looks great. Absolutely great. So we'll be pulling, like I said, we'll be pulling the crank and rods out of here, putting all new bearings on the rods, new mains, straight cut gears for the 1915. And we'll get going on that here shortly, guys. So until the next time, be good.